Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unhide column in Excel. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. At first, open an Excel sheet. Here you can see there are two columns. So let's say I will just um, hide this column, and here you can see the B column is hidden. So if some column is hidden from your Excel sheet, what you do is go to this format option and click on the hide and unhide and click on unhide columns option, and voila, here you can see the B column is appeared. So it's just so simple as that. So hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye for today.